Hey, it's Clay Trading. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol GLBS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that there's no doubt about it, the past couple of days, this has been a very, very nice move. Now, sure, it's pulled back here a little bit, but from where it was, to even where it is right now, everyone would agree this has been a pretty crazy move, and it's made a big move. But that does bring up the question, is there any sort of true power behind any of this? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is all of this just kind of a knee-jerk reaction, a dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that level is right here, the pink line there, the famous 200 period simple moving average, right now valued at $4.64. Why is this moving average so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, over time, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement that's truly strong is going to progress forward and not go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about that pink line. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas if the price does what it's already done a couple times, meaning bounced around, stayed above it, didn't quite hit it there, but got close enough. So let's say the price pulls back here. I'm not saying it will, but let's just pretend, and then bounces around and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have this big old base of lows right here. The previous set of lows would be down there. And if you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, you still have progress being made in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. So to me, that pink line, very, very important. Again, 200 period simple moving average. Preferably speaking, if the price can stay up above the purple line there, the 50 period simple moving average, that would be the best case scenario. But if the price does drop below the purple line, I'm not going to sit here and say that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. Now, in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance is not a huge priority right now. Top priority is more so going through healthy consolidations. But nonetheless, I'll still map out a level of resistance on any sort of bounce. And to me, that level looks to be right up there around $7.50. So $7.50 key area, an initial area of resistance in any sort of bounce. But again, key priority right now, just building higher bases and going through a healthy consolidation. So we'll see what the bulls have in store the remainder of the week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.